are beating us. मेरे को पिटाया, मेरे को लात मारा, सीसीटीवी सीसीटीवी ऑफ कर दिया, हमारा एक एजेंट को घुसने नहीं दिया, हमको भी हम 5 मिनट के लिए घुसा था। मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि हमारा एजेंट को घुसने दीजिए। डीओ assured me they will be allowed. After that he is not available, nobody is available, but I complained everywhere.
As a shock Bengal mandate vaults the BJP into power, is Mamata Banerjee already trying to rewrite counting day by hurling her biggest accusations yet at the rival she says rigged the result? With tempers high, Mamata Banerjee now says I was hit while her party cries foul over counting day chaos, raising the question, was this just a political rout or a physical one too? From 3 p.m. they were beating us, I was hit, the fiery TMC chief tells supporters in Kolkata, suggesting her workers were attacked around counting centres even as results swung away from her. She now accuses the BJP of looting votes in more than 100 assembly seats, alleging EVM tampering, strong room violations and institutional bias turned a close contest into a stolen mandate. Branding the result an immoral victory, DD roars that Bengal may have chosen the BJP on paper, but insists the ruling party's win rests on fear, central agencies and a broken election system.
मेरे को पिटाया, मेरे को लात मारा, सीसीटीवी ऑफ कर दिया, हमारा एक एजेंट को घुसने नहीं दिया, हमको भी हम 5 मिनट के लिए घुसा था। मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि हमारा एजेंट को घुसने दीजिए। डीओ assured me they will be allowed. After that he is not available, nobody is available, but I complained everywhere.
টাচ করবেন না দিদিকে।
ওকে ম্যাম
Even I am not allowed inside. All they are doing it, and they have shifted all the machines from there. Only one-sided. Even they didn't allow me to issue the CRP. ধাক্কা দিয়েছে, মেরেছে CRP এর সামনে, আর পুরো বাইরের গুণ ভর্তি করে রেখে দিয়েছে। আমি ক্যান্ডিডেট, আমাকে ইলেকশন ঢুকতে হয়নি। বিজেপি এরা হচ্ছে দানবিক পার্টি, 100টা সিট লুট করেছে, 100টা more than 100 seats they looted and cheated, and this election commission is a BJP commission. আমরা কমপ্লেন করেছি, টাইম টু টাইম কমপ্লেন লজ করেছি, ইভেন মনোজ আগরওয়ালকেও কমপ্লেন লজ করা আছে। I gave my complaint at 4 o'clock. The RO, I complained DO, I complained CO West Bengal, even I sent all the SMS to Manoj Agarwal, but they are not doing anything. Even they didn't allow me issue my card. They are not allowing me also. Do you think it is winning? It's a immoral victory, not moral victory. Immorally, whatever election commission has done with the central forces and Prime Minister and Home Minister, it is totally illegal, and we will ask for counter mandate. এটা জোর করে ফোর্সফুলি করেছে, SIR থেকে শুরু করে অ্যাট্রসিটিস থেকে শুরু করে কাউন্টিং এজেন্ট অ্যারেস্ট করা থেকে শুরু করে EVM মেশিন লুট করা থেকে শুরু করে যারা জিতেছে তাদের লুট।